So bakit nga ba kadalasan apat yung channel ng mga DJ mixer na nakita natin sa mga club and festival, kaso dalawa lang naman yung gamit nila na CDJs or turntables? Parang naging standard na lang kasi yung 4 channels sa isang premium, high-end o kaya club standard or festival standard na setup. Now, of course, there are DJs who use all 4 channels, some DJs use all 3 channels, pero most of the time, DJs use 2. Pero kahit 2 channels na yung gamit natin sa isang DJ mixer, it doesn't mean na totally useless yung other 2. Kapag ako nagdi-DJ, tas gamit ko to, yung DDJ 1000 SRT, ito yung main 2 channels na gamit ko, diba? But sometimes, maglo-load ako ng tracks dito sa channels 3 and 4 kung gusto kong may naka-standby ako doon ng mga kanta. Kunyari, ginawa akong music spinner for an event and I have to play something according to a program, at least may nakahain ako dito na kanta sa 3 and 4 para mabilis yung switch over instead of having to go through a mouse and clicking and dragging over onto decks 1 and 2. Another use for channels 3 and 4 kung meron kang 4-channel na mixer or controller is that pwede kang magkabit ng other devices to it. So sabihin natin may turntables ka, pwede mo ikabit sila sa channels 3 and 4 kasi may phono inputs to. Or pwede kang magkabit ng pares ng CDJ, or even if you have, I don't know, like an MP3 player, may iPod ka, or kahit tape deck kung gusto mo, pwede mo sila ikabit dito sa channels 3 and 4. At the end of the day, it's about flexibility more than necessity. Unless, again, you're the type of DJ who really uses all 4 decks or you use 3 channels.